Finding the courage to change, learning to simplify. The ability to simplify means to eliminate the unnecessary so that the necessary may speak. That's a quote from Hans Hofmann. My mother was a child of the Depression and the Second World War. She lived through scarcity and rationing. Wherever Mom lived, the space was filled to the brim with a maze of shelving filled with things that she might need someday. At the end of her life, when it was time to clean out her apartment, I suddenly understood why she often had very little time to spend with me. When I would call and ask if I could stop by, she would say, "No, dear, today's not a good day. I have the house all torn up. I'm reorganizing." As I began clearing out closets, cupboards, and dressers, I suddenly understood. Mom had spent much of her time and energy reorganizing her stuff, packing, unpacking, rearranging, so that she could fit more and more into the tiny space. Near the end of her long illness, I finally mentioned what a great organizer she was. She smiled proudly. "It's about time you recognized that about me." I could only pat her hand. Organizing all that stuff prevented her from having time for relationships. Perhaps that's what she wanted. That's not for me. When I clear out the unnecessary, then I have more time. Time for the things that are most important to me. Time to spend with the people I love.